Hello, tech enthusiasts and gaming aficionados. Welcome back to SciTech Nexus, where we unveil the latest innovations shaping the future. Today, we're diving into groundbreaking news as Altec Lansing, renowned for its audio expertise, becomes the inaugural licensee of iShark's original gaming software. Before we explore the depths of this collaboration, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and let the tech adventure begin. Altec Lansing, a name synonymous with cutting-edge audio technology, is charting new waters by teaming up with iShark. Expectations are high for features that enhance audio realism, communication, and overall gaming performance. To delve deeper into this tech synergy, we've invited a seasoned authority in gaming technology. What are your thoughts on this collaboration, and what features would you like to see in the upcoming gaming tech? Share your excitement in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, this is SciTech Nexus, signing off as we eagerly anticipate the future of gaming innovation.